In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a refund in Xero. Navigating financial transactions can sometimes feel like a bit of a maze, especially when you're working on returning funds to a customer or client. Fortunately, platforms like Xero make this process straightforward and hassle-free. Whether you're maintaining the books for a business or just getting familiar with Xero for the first time, I'll guide you through each step to ensure that your refunds are correctly and efficiently processed. Once you've successfully logged in, let's make our way to the section where your business transactions are managed. You'll see your dashboard, and from there, you want to locate the Business tab. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Look for the Invoices option and select it. This is where all your invoicing activities are both recorded and managed. Now that you're on the invoice page, you need to locate the specific invoice for which you intend to process a refund. You can scroll through your list of invoices or, for a quicker search, use the search feature. Once you've located the correct invoice, click on it to open a detailed view. In this detailed invoice view, look for 3 dots or an options menu, which are typically situated near the top of the page. Clicking on these will reveal several actions you can perform on this invoice. Among the options, you'll find Create and Apply Credit. Select this to begin the refund process. After choosing to create and apply credit, you will be directed to a new screen. Here, you can adjust the items on the credit note to match the refund you're processing. This step is your chance to specify exactly what is being refunded and for how much. It's important to take your time to ensure these details are correct, as this will prevent any confusion or discrepancies later on. With the credit note items correctly adjusted, the next step is to approve the credit note. Look for the Approve button, which should be located near the top of the screen or within the Actions menu. Clicking Approve will officially process the credit note, applying it to the invoice and effectively issuing the refund to your customer or client. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of processing a refund in Xero. But before we wrap up, let's touch on a few additional tips to keep everything running smoothly. Always double-check the details of the credit note before hitting that approval button. While mistakes can be fixed later, it's always easier to get it right the first time. Also, consider the importance of communication. It's a good practice to inform your customer or client about the refund process, including any relevant details from the credit note you've just created. Processing refunds might not be the most thrilling part of managing a business, but it's crucial for maintaining trust and ensuring customer satisfaction. With the steps outlined in this video, I hope you feel more confident in handling refunds within Xero. Whether you're dealing with a full or partial refund, the process is straightforward. So, the next time you need to issue a refund, just remember these steps and you'll manage it like a pro. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Stay organized, and I'll see you in the next video.